In this video, we are looking how to change bash shell prompt. First, let me open a bash shell. Here you can see that one username, host name, tilde character. This part is a bash shell prompt string. Okay, so here tilde is represent the current working directory. Let me do one thing to switch to another directory. Now you can clearly see that one it's an absolute path. Okay, so I want to change this part. Here username is there, it's my personal laptop, and this is the main user I am always logging to. So I don't want this part. This part is just redundant. It is no use for me. There's no information I am getting out of this. Same host name also I don't need. So I want to get rid this entire part. And here comes current working directory. I want to see the base name of the current working directory. I don't want the entire absolute path. Okay, here base name of the current working directory is games. This part I want. So basically I want to change this entire part to this base name of the current working directory. That's what I want. So before that we need to know that from where this bash prompt string is coming. Okay, in bash there is a variable ps1 based on the content of the ps1 variable. This string will be printed here. So yeah, let us look that variable. What is the content of that variable now? ps1. Okay, here you can see that one long expression, a bit complicated to understand. Let us look into in detail this expression. So here you can see that one, that expression I copied here, and yeah, I divide into 4 part. Here you can see that one second part is it's a variable. Basically it says that if the debian underscore ch root variable is defined, print that inside a bracket. You can see this bracket, right? So I am going to ignore this one. It is not used here actually. So I'm just blindly ignore this part. Okay. Next is we need to know the literal part of this expression. Here you can see the column, right? This is a literally, it will print as it is. It's a literal string actually. You can see that column printed. Another literal string here is a at symbol. You can see that also printed here. Okay. Second, next we need to look into escape character. Here backslash slash u is there. It's an escaped character, and h is there, w is there, and dollar, and here also is there. Here u is it's just like this escaped character is just like a placeholder. Okay, it will be replaced by what here is a username. It will be replaced by username. Here h is the host name. It will be replaced by host name, and here is w is this is a major part we want to look at. A w, small letter w is current working directory. It's absolute path. We want only base name of the current working directory. So you need to use capital W in this place. Okay, and here slash dollar is there. It will be replaced with hash character if current user is root. In my case it's not a root, it is a non-root user. So in that case it will print a dollar. Okay, so in short, these entire 3 lines will be replaced with a capital W, because I want to show only base name of the current working directory. So I will remove entire thing and will put only slash capital W. Then the first line I didn't explain anything about this. This actually yeah, I didn't explain actually this part also. Here one part is there. Okay, so I talked about literal characters and escaped character. Third part is instructions. So you can see here backward slash opening square bracket, right? This says that one some instruction is going to give. Okay, what is the instruction? Instruction is set the terminal title, set the select a font color. Okay, so here you can see that one, this part actually says that one, select the font color as green. So then this part will print as a print in green color. You can see here that part is printed in green color. Okay, then here you can see another thing. It is also instruction. This instruction says that reset the font color. So default is a black. Okay, it will reset to black. Then this column will printed in black color. You can see the here it's printed in black color. And here you can see again setting some color. This is a green color. So current working directory will print in a green. You can see here it is printed in green. Then again resetting the color, and dollar will print it in black. So I cover in these 3 lines. Okay, so let us go back to the first line. In higher level, if I say it in a very higher level, it is just to set the title of the terminal. Okay, what should be the title of the terminal? It should username at host name current working directory. Okay, so let us look this into detail. Here you can see that this escape character says that instruction is going to follow. So first instruction, let us look into entire this group of character. I'm not going to give details about here. Actually, escape character E is /E is the escape. Actually, I'm not going to give those details. Let us take this entire group of character. Okay, this says that I want to start the title, and this part will tell what should be the title. Here username at host name current working directory. So in our case we will set a base name of the current working directory, so we will use only /W, and end the title. We will use /A to say end the title and end the instruction. Let us open a terminal. Yeah, you can see here. Let us go to user games directory. So you can see here terminal title, right? We want to change this also to base name of the current working directory, and we want to change this also, this entire prompt string to base name of the current working directory. So basically we want to change the ps1 variable. Let us change ps1. Start the instruction. Our instruction is to change terminal title. What is the terminal title you want? It's a base name of the current working directory. End the title, end the instruction. Now we want to set the bash prompt string. It is the base name of the current working directory. Let us add some dollar. Blindly we will give a dollar here. Now you can see that one bash string prompt change it to base name of the current working directory, and here you can see the terminal title also, that also change it. Okay, now I am closing this terminal and opening new one. Now you can see that we made a lot of changes. Nothing is there. What happened is that when we set PS1 in that session, actually that's not permanent. If you're closing that session, it will go. So we want it to permanent. So what we should do? So there are a lot of script that will get executed at the beginning of a shell. At the beginning of the shell starts. Okay, so you need to know that what and all bash script will get invoked at the time of shell starts. So one major script is .bashrc. It is in the home directory. Let us open that one. In home directory, Here tilde is there, it represents the home directory. Okay, I am opening that one. So at the end of that file, let us add ps1 equal to instruction start, title starts, base name of the current working directory, title ended, instruction ended, bash string prompt. Okay, I have done that one. Let me go to the user games. So you can see here we set that ps1 but no changes here, right? The reason is that file will get executed at the beginning of this shell start. So shell already started, right? So it won't get executed. So you need to close and you need to open again. So you can see here the tilde character game, it means it's a home directory. Let us move to our game directory. Now you can say the terminal title also changed and this also changed. Okay, I hope you understood how to change a bash shell prompt. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel.